Today, I'm going to show you how to use the text tool in Photoshop 2024. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add professional-looking titles, headlines, and paragraphs to your images, whether you're designing social media graphics, making a poster, or just adding a bit of flair to your photos. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open up Photoshop on your computer. If you're starting with a blank canvas or editing an existing photo, make sure you're in the right document. The text tool works on just about anything. Once Photoshop is open, take a look over at your toolbar, which runs vertically down the left side of your screen. Here's where you'll find all your essential tools. For adding text, you want to look for the capital T icon. If you like keyboard shortcuts, and trust me, they save a ton of time, just press the T key, and Photoshop will instantly hand you the type tool. Now, Photoshop actually gives you two main ways to add text, horizontal and vertical. By default, it's set to horizontal, which is what you'll use almost all of the time. Think of how you naturally write or read left to right. But if you ever want to get creative and add vertical text, maybe for a poster or a design that needs a different look, you can click and hold that T icon until a little submenu pops up. There, you'll see the vertical type tool. Just select it, and you're set. Here's where the magic happens, getting your text onto the canvas. You've got two options, and it really comes down to what your design needs. If you just want a snappy headline or a simple title, point type is the way to go. All you do is click once anywhere on your image. You'll see a blinking insertion point, kind of like what you see in any word processor. Just start typing and watch your text appear. The neat thing about point type is that your words will keep flowing in a straight line as you type, no matter how long the sentence. This is perfect for quick, attention-grabbing text. But what if you need more control? Maybe a block of text like a description or a quote. That's when you use area type. For this, instead of clicking, click and drag on your canvas to draw out a box. Take a second to size it. Don't worry if it's not perfect because you can always adjust it later. This creates a fixed area, and as soon as you start typing, your text will wrap automatically within the boundaries. It works a lot like text boxes in Microsoft Word or Google Docs, making it super useful for paragraphs or text-heavy layouts. If you're ever unsure about which option to use, just think about your goal. For short, linear text, go with point type. For longer or formatted paragraphs, area type will save you a headache. Don't sweat it if you make a mistake. You can always undo with Ctrl+Z or Command+Z, and Photoshop makes it easy to adjust anything after the fact. So, now you've added your text, experiment a little. Try switching between type tools, moving your text around, or adjusting the size of your text box if you're using area type. The more you practice, the more comfortable you'll get. And soon, adding text will be second nature. And that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new tip. Got questions or run into a tricky spot? Drop a comment below. I check them regularly and I'm always happy to help out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.